marching along with little feet. B is for bear, big and brown. He loves to dance and spin around. C is for cat, who says meow, meow, chasing a ball. Look at her now. D is for dog, wagging his tail. He barks woof, woof, loud without fail. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water as he plays all day. F is for fish, swimming so blue, bubbling bubbles. 1, 2, 2. G is for goat, jumping with glee, climbing hills happily, whee! H is for horse, running so fast, gallop, gallop, zooming past.